Clearly, the national lead on Business Express, the Bombay High Court today slammed Anna Hazare, rejecting his plea to hold an agitation at the MMRDA grounds at a concession. The High Court said Anna cannot do parallel canvassing when Parliament is discussing the Lokpal bill. High Court had some rather harsh words, saying Anna's fast could be a nuisance to others and that they cannot interfere with the Parliament. Okay, Supriya Shunya joins us for more on that story. Supriya, some really harsh words by the court. What kind of an impact could this have on the agitation?
It's a rather scathing criticism that's come in from the Bombay High Court as far as the proposed three-day fast of Anna Hazare is concerned. Mincing no words, the two-judge bench has said that why should Anna Hazare be fasting and issuing a parallel canvassing of sorts, especially at a time when Parliament is going to be deliberating and discussing the same Lokpal bill, but not want to be bogged down by criticism. Even though it's coming from the Bombay High Court, Anna Hazare has decided to go ahead with his fast. Through donations and through volunteers, he will indeed submit 7 lakh rupees to the MMRDA. He expects some kind of a concession coming there. He will fast in Mumbai. That's his game plan, really. His party, his team members and people from his organization will be holding protest strike in Delhi. But for now, the fast will go on in the MMRDA despite the very scathing observation and criticism that has come in from the Bombay High Court.
मैं आंदोलन करने की जगह का कोशिश चल रही थी। आज़ाद मैदान ग्राउंड थोड़ा कम होगा, इसलिए MMRDA उनका ग्राउंड बड़ा है, उसका किराया ज़्यादा था, लेकिन उन्होंने बताया आपकी संस्था है तो हम कुछ कम कर देंगे उसमें, और जो भी पैसा लगेगा तो उसमें कई लोग डोनेशन देने के लिए तैयार हो गए। तो मैं बोला अगर डोनेशन देते तो करो, और वो लोग भी कम करने वाले हैं पैसा तो करो। तो अभी MMRDA वो ग्राउंड निश्चित हो रहा है, अभी थोड़ा देर के बाद मैसेज आ जाएगा।